In this video, you'll learn how to sell Bitcoin on Moonpay. By following these steps, you will be able to convert your Bitcoin into cash quickly and efficiently. Start by navigating to the Moonpay website. You can do this by entering the URL into your browser. Once the page loads, you will see various options for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Make sure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Sell. This option is typically found prominently on the homepage. Once you click this button, you will be redirected to a new page specifically designed for selling cryptocurrencies. After that, click on the option that says Sell Bitcoin. This will take you to a screen where you can begin the selling process. You should see a message indicating that you can sell your crypto for cash, confirming you are in the right section. Now, type in the amount of Bitcoin you wish to sell in the designated field. Make sure to double check the amount you are entering. If you are selling a large quantity, consider the impact on the current market price and the transaction fees that may apply. Once you have entered the amount, click on the button labeled Review Order. This action will prompt a summary of your transaction to appear on the screen. Take a moment to review the details, including the estimated cash you will receive and any applicable fees. After reviewing, if everything looks correct, click on the button that says Sell. This will finalize your transaction. Depending on the current network load, this process may take a few moments. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the transaction. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.